Does anybody else put excessive amounts of honey in their tea and then realize that it's still not sweet enough, so then you put sugar as well? Just me? Okay. Okay, so today we're going to become online marketers and make millions of dollars. Because recently I've seen a lot of gurus on YouTube trying to sell me on their ideas of how they make hundreds of thousands, if not millions, a month with affiliate marketing. And they always look like this.
Here in my garage, just bought this new Lamborghini here. It's fun to drive up here in the Hollywood Hills. But you know what I like a lot more than materialistic things? Knowledge.
So I figured today, why don't we actually try it for 24 hours and see if we can become the next internet sensation. And this also serves as another video that I can promote ExpressVPN, because this entire video, I'm going to be safely searching the internet using ExpressVPN, making sure nobody can track me and nobody can find where I live. Use my link in the description when you're signing up for ExpressVPN for 3 free months. Let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm going to take you guys through a step-by-step plan for this video. Alright, so number 1, we're going to make a Clickbank account. Number 2, we're going to find our product to promote. Number 3, we're going to create an advertisement. Number 4, we're going to run the advertisement. Number 5, we're going to optimize our ad as it continues to run. And number 6, I will show you guys the results. What's your guys' favorite tea? I really like my tea, as you guys already know. And so for proof, guys, 8:53 November 29th, Monday. Alright, so we roughly have till 9 a.m. tomorrow to get this challenge complete. Although I said I wanted to become a millionaire overnight on affiliate marketing, I don't think that's going to happen. So let's set a realistic goal for ourselves to make around $100 in profit in one day. I think that's a realistic goal for a very first time doing affiliate marketing. I've never done affiliate marketing this way, so I really have no idea how it's going to work. I usually just use you guys, and you guys make me money. Free promo, baby. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is go to Clickbank. As you guys can see, I have a complete $0 in my Clickbank account. Let's go to affiliate marketing. By the way, Clickbank is completely free, and this is where you can find products to go ahead and promote with ads or any affiliate marketing strategies that you guys have. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click find products, and then I'm gonna select the box that says show items with gravity. I'm gonna do higher than 30. So gravity is how many people have successfully promoted that product. So what I'm typing in here is that 30 people have successfully promoted this product, meaning that the product is kind of easily sellable. So just to show you guys, if you guys do average conversion, you can see that some people here are actually making $365 per commission on this. This is absolutely nuts. How could you make $365 per commission? There's no way. But like, look at all of these conversion rates. Like, this is insane conversions, and if we could even land one of these, oh my god. So I'm just gonna sort by rank, and I'm gonna go with the top one here, Pure. Now I looked into this off of video because I figured I wanted to do one that's actually somewhat good, but as you guys can see here, gravity 678, which is crazy. So there's been 678 people who promoted this successfully. It's in the health and fitness, you know, dietary supplements. Everybody's got to be getting those gains, and you get an initial conversion of $152 with a recurring rebill of $45. So as you guys can see here, if I take you to their page, Pure affiliate zone, you guys can see this is the product. No hate to the male gender, but I have to target the women because they always seem to be caring more about weight loss and fat removal. Alright, so then we're just going to go over here to click promote. We're going to click generate hot links. And so this is my link that will take me over. As you guys can see, type it in, bada bing, bada boom. And as you see, it says Pure link, boom. Alright, so we have to save this link. So just make sure you guys keep it copied. I want to do a promotion based on Google Ads on every time that somebody searches Pure. So if you guys actually see this here where it says Pure, let's say someone searches that up, and you see these things that come up that say ad right here, ad. Basically, I'm gonna try and get my ad to pop up here when people search up Pure, and then when people click this link, therefore it's my affiliate link and I get paid money. So I'm just gonna go ahead here and type in Google Ads. So as you guys can see here, I'm currently running some other ads for other things that you guys don't need to know about. But we're gonna go ahead and click on new campaign, and then we are going to click on website traffic because that is what we want, and this is where you want to go ahead and paste your link. So that is what we want to promote right there, and we're gonna call this easy way to $1 million. And like I said, I don't want to spend too much on this campaign, but since we're only doing 24 hours, so I figured that I was going to do $75. Obviously, you guys don't need to spend as much as this. I'm just going to do it because I want to try and get some results in 24 hours, baby. We're going to set the daily average budget at 75. And we want to focus our campaign on conversions. All right, so we're going to check off display network, because remember, we only want to search on search network. Then we're going to go to all countries and territories, because we don't care where they're going to buy. We just want them to buy. I'm going to put English because my ad's going to be in English, so that makes more sense. I'm going to put this end date as tomorrow because I don't want to get charged again. So this is for we're going to rename this as the search ad for $1 million. Yeah, like that. Okay, now these are just broad terms, right? So if anybody searches this in, we might go ahead and get a click on our ad, or our ad will show. So you can actually do an exact match keyword. So if you type in XC Pure like that, basically if anybody searches XC Pure, we will pop up. So these are just a bunch of different keywords that people can type in, or strings, I guess you could say, that people can type in on Google and it will come up with my ad. And then I'm going to delete all of these ones here at the top, because it's like, why do I even want them there? That's just going to give me way too broad results and people that are just searching for it, not people that are actually willing to buy it.
I like your cut, G.
I do expect that XC Pure is going to get a majority of our search, but that's okay. All right, so let's go down here to where we start by adding at least 5 headlines. So this is where we basically create our ad. And our display path here is going to show as this link, which kind of doesn't look so great. Okay, so I just realized that this final URL link doesn't look so great. So we're going to go ahead and continue finishing this ad, but then we're also going to try something else, because this ad might not actually get approved. But yeah, so let's continue to add some headlines in here. That's what we're going to have run on our ad. We're going to pin this though, because we want this in 2 and we want this in position 1. So this is going to show first, and then this one will show second. I really don't like the way that this link looks, but we're going to go ahead and use it anyway. Hopefully it gets approved. This is done, $75 a day. It should run if it gets accepted, hopefully. Publish campaign. Okay, so as you guys can see right here, it is 9:26 on the same day. So it's approximately been like 30 minutes and we got our ad up and our product chosen. And so now I think the next thing that we should do is go ahead and create a landing page for the other ads to target. And then that landing page will have a specific link that actually looks probably a lot better. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to ClickFunnels. So I didn't realize that I was gonna have to actually probably do this, but it says start 14-day free trial. I've never used ClickFunnels before, so you guys are gonna see me use it for the very first time. Okay, I'm not gonna pay this, so as soon as I'm done with this video, I have to remember to cancel this. Okay, so that's $97 gone right there. I didn't expect to have to pay that, but I'm gonna cancel it as soon as this video is done, because that was expensive. But I get the 14-day free trial. So, all right, so from this page, we're gonna go ahead and build a funnel, as you guys can see there. Okay guys, so our campaign, as you can see here, actually was rejected. It was actually rejected for malware and suspicious activity, which is not what I thought would happen, but that's okay, because I told you I was making this website here using ClickFunnels, and this is what I created. So basically it's just a landing page like this. Pretty spammy, pretty easy, but this is what the gurus say will work. So yeah, this is how we are going to market our XC Pure, and it's currently 10:42. All right, so this took a lot more than I thought, and I had no expectation for this, but guys, I had to wind up buying a URL because it wasn't going to give me one that looked too great. So I went ahead and made this URL here. Guys, this is crazy. I had no idea I was going to be spending this much money on this video. So if you guys could please leave a like and subscribe, I really appreciate it. I'm spending way too much and had no idea that that's what I was going to spend. So, okay, so everything's looking good. And it looks like a real link now. I'm happy with it myself. But we got to go ahead and type in these keywords. So I'll be back in 1 second. Alright, so I think we're going to run with these for XC Pure, buy XC Pure, weight loss pills, and weight loss pill. And here we go. Okay, keywords and ads, everything is set. And then, so $75 a day. So we set that, and hopefully this one is going to get approved. Alright guys, so here it is. As you can see right here, video 1 and video 1 ad 2. So that's already running. So far, 79 impressions, 8 clicks. So I'm paying about 43 cents per click, which is not too bad at all. We're going to see how this goes, but here is my Clickbank account, and at the moment, you know, if I just refresh the page, so far we have no sales. I don't know how quick it does update, but I think it's supposed to be like right away. Yeah, so this is XC Pure, as you can see right here. So as you guys can see, 17 total hops, which means 17 people clicked on my link. It is currently 1:21 p.m. p.m. So as you guys can see, man, it took a long time to set up these ads. I ran into some issues where, you know, it just wasn't accepting my ad, and I had to, you know, make a different website and stuff. But I'm telling you guys, now that it's up and I'm running an advertisement on it, all we gotta do is make one sale, man. If we make one sale, we're gonna get like $100+ or something like that, crazy. So I'll keep you guys updated, and if I decide to run any more ads or do anything different, I'll add that in as well. But it's pretty much just a waiting game here, and if it doesn't sell, then guys, I lost out on probably about $200 this video. Please subscribe and like the video, because if this doesn't work, I lose a lot of money. Thank you. All right, guys, so it's currently 1:37, so it's not too much later, but I did decide that maybe it's a good idea that we go ahead and do like Instagram promotion. Basically, I'm gonna be paying some brand accounts to put my ad on their page. So basically what I'm doing is I'm just going through on Instagram here. I just typed in like weight loss, you know, anything that's kind of similar to what I am trying to promote. And then I'm just going through, and then I'll click like one random one, and then I'll just message them and be like, hey, you know, that's the message I'm currently sending from my account right there. Basically just saying, hello, how much is it for a 24-hour post, and link in bio, thanks. And hopefully someone gets back to me. I don't know, man. I'm hoping I'm not going to lose tons of money right now, but we will see. I'll see you guys all in a little bit.
2,000 years later.
Yo, what? We just made a sale. It's literally 150. I just had to turn the camera on because look, 150. Not kidding. I was just sitting here. I was about to go get some lunch. 150, and look at it, guys. We just made a sale. A $157 sale. No way. Hold on. Wait. Am I actually $157 richer? I am. Oh my god, dude. That didn't even take 24 hours. What? Guys, let me be honest. I was expecting to make a video, and then I wanted this video to get a lot of views, and then hoping that maybe somehow this video would pay back for what I put in the video. I did not expect to make $157. Hold on, let's check the Google ads. What in the world, guys? Yeah, so here it is. Look, we've literally paid $7, and we just made $150. We got 16 clicks, 48 cents per click. This is unbelievable. Guys, I don't know what to say. This is incredible. I guess I'm going to continue the challenge for 24 hours, but we already made our first sale. That's $150. I'm gonna go get some lunch. I'm happy now. Let's go. All right, guys. I'll see you all in the next clip. All right, guys. So I just paid $25 twice on 2 different accounts, so $50 total in promotion. Here's my promo that I actually made myself. I made that with a free online editor, Canva. And then, yeah, so he posted that, and my link is in the bio right there. And then, yeah, there's another account that he's doing the same thing on. So I hit a 26,000 follower account and a 36,000 follower account. So $50 on Instagram promotion. I have no idea how that's going to go. But guys, we made another sale, and I have no idea. But if you guys take a look over here, $317. What? There's 26 total clicks on my link. And if you take a look at my Google ads here, we have a total of 343 impressions with 36 clicks for an average of 41 cents per click. I've only paid $14.75 so far, and I've made 2 sales. That's unbelievable. Look at this, $317.44. I didn't expect this at all. And it's crazy because it's only 3:03 p.m. So like, this is absolutely nuts, guys. I'm gonna go get some lunch, and I'm gonna go do some homework, and I'll catch you guys all in the next clip. All right, guys, it is currently 8:59 on November 30th. So it has been pretty much 24 hours since we started this challenge. Overall, I have very mixed feelings about this, and I do feel like there is a little bit of a scam going on. You guys saw that I had $317 in earnings. As you guys can see right here, I do have that $317 in earnings, but that is as much as I made. Now, before you guys click off the video, I want you to see something for yourselves. So if you actually go and click on my name here, which is account name, you'll see something that's kind of fishy, right? So if you go to reporting, you'll see how many people actually wind up using my code. So I had a total of 203 people use my or click on my link, and actually wound up selling 14 initial sales and 5 upsells for a total of gross sales of 19. Did the math really quick. I'll do it for you guys right now. 19 times 150 was the 157 is the average, but let's just say we did 150. I should have made $2,850. But if you guys take a look here, if I go and click transactions, you'll see for some reason after the very first 2 sales that I made, the rest of the sales actually didn't pay me a dime. So I really have no clue why I didn't make any money. I talked to Clickbank's customer support, and they said I had to email the affiliates email for the actual company, which was XePure. So I wound up emailing them. I haven't heard back from them, but I only emailed them about an hour ago. I mean, I do have to say, if this is true and I wind up getting paid almost $3,000 in just a day or two, I will not even know what to do with myself at this point. $3,000 is an insane amount of money to make in a day. But overall, $317 is what I did make is what it looks like. I don't know how I got paid $0 for all those other, sales that I made. Yeah, I don't know. It's just really frustrating, actually. There should never be something like this that happens, because when you make a sale and you're an affiliate, you should get paid for that sale no matter what. But yeah, so my official opinion on using Google Ads to promote products on Clickbank, I think it could work as long as you don't run into issues like this. Obviously it could work, and if it does work and this is, I make my $3,000, I will be putting in, a majority of the money I own into Google Ads because if this is really how it works, that's unbelievable. I don't know if this is a scam, as far as I got paid for 2 sales and the rest of them I didn't get paid for at all. I know I'm going to try this again with another product on Clickbank and see if it does the same thing. But yeah, overall guys, definitely something that's worth trying. You never know if it works out for you. It could be really, really good. It could be a really, really lucrative passive income. Basically, you set it up in the beginning, takes a couple hours, and then you go out and do the rest of your day and you're making money as you live. It obviously takes money to make money, which is a little bit of risk factor that there is, but as you guys saw, I did it with $75. As you guys can see right here, the video one that we used to promote XePure actually cost me $117. Unfortunately, I didn't stop it overnight when I was sleeping. I didn't remember to wake up and stop it at $75, so it was $117. I got a total of 1,900 impressions and 215 clicks, and the average cost per click was 54 cents. Yeah, so basically I got 215 clicks and made almost $3,000 if they actually wind up paying me what I should be paid. I'll have to see what they say in the email, and I'll let you guys know in the comments down below. It'll be a pinned comment that lets you know what the actual outcome was after I get an email back from their affiliate team. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and look for more content like this, as well as pretty soon I'm going to be doing an Uber Eats challenge where I try to do Uber Eats for 8 hours and see how much money I make in an 8-hour shift. Everybody have a good day, and as always, I'm gonna love you and leave you with a nice old adios. Everybody.